Welcome students for your EVS class, and I think you all remember what we were doing yesterday. We were doing chapter 7 about plants. So today also we will continue with the chapter. Let us see what is there for you today. So yesterday what did we see? We had seen about the different parts of the plant like the root, stem, leaf, flower, bud, and remember it is not BIRD, okay, it is BUD, and their functions. Now today we will see the two kinds of roots, the taproot and the fibrous root, and the structure of seeds. So first I will draw this is the chapter. Don't forget the chapter's name. So roots, it is of two types, taproot and the fibrous root. You have learnt in class 4 also, so you should remember. Now first I will draw the taproot. In taproot, what it is there will be a main root, and from that the lateral roots or side roots will come out. Okay, this is the taproot. Okay, this is the main root. You can write it this way. This is the main root, and these are the side roots, or you can tell lateral also. An example, any example you can take of a tree, like your mango tree, neem tree, you will find taproot. And the next type of root will be a fibrous. In fibrous roots, what you will find? All the roots come out like hair-like structure, okay? And it is very easy to pull out this fibrous root. Like in grass, you will find fibrous root. Here, just from one point, single point, all the roots, hair-like structure will come out. Example, grass. So this is the difference. So which root will be stronger? Obviously the taproot. Okay. And this fibrous root you can easily pull out. जैसे घास अगर pull करते हो मिट्टी से easily निकल जाता है. So it's not that. It does not hold the plant so firmly to the soil. Now one more thing I would tell today, the structure of seed. See here, we have seen that in a dicotyledonous seed there are two cotyledons and it is covered by a seed coat. I had shown the video earlier also, and there is a baby plant inside. So this is the structure of seed. Seed structure. A thin sheet which is known as the seed coat. And there are two cotyledons. Cotyledons, okay? And this cotyledons, what it is doing? It is storing the food for the growing baby plant. Because when the plant is very small, it cannot prepare its own food. Like green plants, they can prepare, but the baby plant cannot prepare. So they take the food from the cotyledons. And here there is a baby plant which is growing inside. And seeds are of two types, dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous. डाइकोटिलेडन में क्या होगा? डाई मीन्स दो, तो दो कॉटिलेडन्स होगा. एग्जांपल हो गया जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे बनाया है राजमा. तुम चना ले लो, ग्राम, मटर, पीस. एंड तुम्हारा मोनोकॉटिलेडन में होगा मेज, व्हीट. नाउ कम टू आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट्स. Types of plants. This also you are learning from the very beginning, from class 1. You should all know. Basically there are three types, like the trees, shrubs and herbs. ये तीन के बारे में तो आप लोग जानते ही होंगे. ट्रीज कैसे समझ में आएगा? द ट्रंक, the branch or the stem, you can tell it's very thick. वो बहुत चौड़ा होता है. It is woody and the root will be very very strong. Like example, everybody of you know mango, neem, anything you can write. Shrubs tree से different कैसे है? Shrubs में भी woody stem होता है लेकिन थोड़ा पतला होता है tree से, और उसका जो branches है वो जमीन के ठीक ऊपर से ही निकलना शुरू हो जाता है. जैसे hedge, बहुतों के घर में आप बाउंड्री बना हुआ देखेंगे hedge से, that are shrubs. Okay, and herbs, they are very tender and delicate and soft plants like a tomato. क्या होता है, उसको अगर हाथ में आप पकड़ते हैं तो वो आराम से टूट जाता है. And generally the stem is green in color. Shrubs, okay? Sorry, herbs. So herbs you can write tomato, sunflower. But apart from these three, two more things plant we will find, like the climber and the creepers. What are these? क्रीपर वर्ड आया है क्रीप. क्रीप मीन्स रेंगना. तो ये सारे पौधे जो हैं वो जमीन पे रेंगते हुए आगे बढ़ते हैं. जैसे पुदीना, मिंट, अगर आपके बगान में होगा तो आप देखे होंगे, ये जमीन पे रेंगता हुआ आगे बढ़ता है. सो दीज आर क्रीपर्स. नेक्स्ट क्लाइंबर्स. ये भी नाम से क्लियर होना चाहिए. क्लाइंब, ये प्लांट किसी के सपोर्ट, जैसे वॉल हो गया, ट्री हो गया, उससे क्लाइंब करता है. मनी प्लांट, फिर कद्दू का पेड़ नहीं, पौधा, जैसे बॉटल गॉड बोलेंगे, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ क्लाइंबर. मनी प्लांट, बॉटल गॉड, लौकी,